Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2016 Stingray 182. We'll start off at the stern of the boat. This boat is equipped with a Suzuki 115, 4-stroke engine, very quiet. Coming up inside the boat, this boat has a lot of nice storage. Storage on both sides. A nice lounger over here to starboard. Captain's seat. Full instrumentation. They have put a Lowrance on here for depth gauge and for fish finding as well. Comes with a stereo. Comes with a 12-volt charger over here. Bilge controls. Coming up forward, again, more storage underneath both seats. Grab handles, cup holders, stereo speakers. We have a nice locker here. If this is the boat you'd like to see more of, my name is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thanks a lot for watching.